Welcome to Old San Juan, Puerto Rico, the cruise port. What a beautiful area. We're going to check it all out. Relax and let's get ready for some fun. In preparation for our cruise, we booked a hotel, the Sheraton, right at the cruise port. Fortunate for you, we did a full tour video, so check out our channel. Right next door to the hotel was Senor Frog's. Pretty cool place. Let's take a look around. During this video, we're going to check out a couple key sites right here outside the hotel at the pier. We're going to walk the entire shoreline so that you can get a look around and see both piers, Pier 3 and the Pan American Pier. Also, we're going to have a little fun and we're going to take a walk throughout the city. Old San Juan is beautiful. The cobblestones, the beautiful colors on the buildings. So stick around, let's check it out. Right across the street from the Sheraton Hotel is Pier 3. As you can see, it's got a beautiful photo op. Here's Pier 3. There's a few ships that dock here. Yours may not. Yours may be across the harbor at the Pan American Pier. That's where ours was. You can see the ship right across the way there. It's about a 10-minute Uber or taxi ride. About $20. Not bad. Have you ever had shaved ice in Puerto Rico? Well, we have, and it's one of our favorite things in the entire world. It's delicious. All right, are you ready? We're gonna walk the entire harbor. We're going to go from one end to the other. This way, you'll have a great visual of exactly where you're at, what pier your ship is at, and how to get there. And I'll call it out as we get closer. After our harbor walk, we're going to take a stroll through Old San Juan. We're going to check out a park. We're going to check out some retail and some just beautiful sights and buildings to look at. So stay tuned. Guess what? We appreciate you. You're watching our video. It means a lot. Give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments. And keep on watching. Straight ahead, Pier 3, right across from the Sheraton. Over to your left, in the distance, that's the Pan American Pier. If you take a little walk a few blocks in from the harbor, you'll end up in Old San Juan. So let's take a look around.
like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She says she need me.
Thanks for giving us some of your time watching our video. Don't forget that thumbs up and let us know how we're doing below. Enjoy your trip, vacation, cruise, whatever you have going on in beautiful Puerto Rico.
Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile.